Here are 7 cool shots you can do with the Movie Maker. The first shot is the basic panorama time-lapse. Now, a really simple way to make any time-lapse shot more dynamic is by adding some movement with the camera. So, simply attach your smartphone, GoPro or compact camera to the motorized head of the slider and you're ready to go. Set the speed of the motor to 3 for some really slow, silky smooth shots. The second shot is what we call the staircase shot. Now, another way to make a shot more dramatic and cinematic is to have a very distinctive background, midground, and foreground. The more movement you can get into the different grounds, the better the effect. Here we place the Movie Maker onto the staircase to achieve this effect. The next shot is the reveal shot. This is probably the easiest but the most cinematic shot in this list. Set up your Movie Maker so it's right behind an object that's blocking, say, some beautiful scenery. Then pre-focus and use the exposure lock. Set the Movie Maker to manual mode and manually push the head. Next up, we have macro shots. When you're shooting close up on a product or object, the slightest camera movement will be exaggerated and emphasized. So this makes the Movie Maker incredibly useful for getting smoother and more cinematic movements. The fifth shot is the crane shot. Because the Movie Maker slider is so portable and light, you can attach it vertically to a tripod for crane-like shots, shots that are otherwise impossible to get. This could come in handy when you're again doing cinematic shots of a product or in short films where you want to place emphasis on an important object. The sixth shot is the standard yet classic slider shot. Slow, smooth motion. The final seventh shot is the inverted shot. Here we put the Movie Maker slider and phone upside down so you can get really close to the foreground and at the same time gradually rise vertically. So there you go. 7 simple, cinematic and fun shots you can take with the Movie Maker. You can take these shots even further with the iMovie app on your iPhone or an equivalent on your Android phone or even on your computer. So remember, the Movie Maker will go wherever you go. So let's get out there, guys, and start shooting.
Introducing the Zoom H3 VR Virtual Reality Audio Recorder, the only recorder that can capture and decode spatial audio all in one device. Its 4-capsule ambisonics mic captures 4 channels of 360-degree audio up to 24-bit 96K. The onboard decoder automatically converts the raw ambisonics A audio to VR-ready ambisonics B audio, so it can easily be paired with your 360 video, and no computer is required. When shooting a 360-degree video, staying out of the shot can be tricky, which is why the H3 VR can be activated remotely via the H3 VR control app. Operate the transport controls, adjust levels, and enter the metadata notes right from your iOS device. Creators can monitor their audio while recording, and with onboard ambisonics playback, you can rotate the H3 VR to simulate spatial audio while listening. The H3 VR is built with a 6-axis motion sensor for auto mic position and level detection, so whether your mic is right side up, upside down, or on its side, your audio and video orientations will stay aligned. The Zoom H3 VR enables creators of all levels to capture 360 audio for VR, AR, and mixed reality content. Great visuals put you into the world. Great audio makes you believe it. VR audio, you've arrived.
For all of life's expected and unexpected moments, meet the new HD connected home camera system from Panasonic. With in-camera data storage and wider angle views, so you can keep an eye on your home and your loved ones from wherever you are, plus a privacy setting for those moments you don't want to share. The new Panasonic HD home monitoring camera system